Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly create a link for the buttons that you have on your WordPress site using the Elementor plugin. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So like I said, I'll be teaching you guys how to add a redirect function to all of the buttons and elements that you have to a section on your website on Elementor. So to do it, it's quite simple. And the first thing you guys want to make sure of is that you're logged into your Elementor account or I should say your WordPress account as an administrator. And the idea here is you want to get access to the Elementor editor or the site builder. So there are a couple ways to get there. You could either click on edit site under quick links, or click on edit appearance, or go to pages and configure the page that you want to edit, like the splash page or the about page. It doesn't really matter. Or click on plugins and go to Elementor. So the idea is once we get here, we want to select the element or the widget that we want to edit. So let's say that I want to redirect people from this page to another. Like if they were to click on this button right here, I would select it under the corresponding container. So I click on this button, and as you can see, it pulls up all of the properties of the button. And under style, under content, you'll see that there's an option that says link. Now, there are a couple of things you can do with this. Under link options, you can add a redirect function to this, so it can take people who click on the button to a different page on the site, or you could add a hyperlink, and all you have to do is post the URL here. So it'll be hash and then followed by the URL, and this would take them to the corresponding page that you want them to take them to. And it's really that simple. Once you guys do that, hit update and save, and you're done. So yeah, that's how you do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.